Google Search for Education provides resources for teachers to assist students in learning the most effective ways to create a Google search. Today we will look at one of the lessons that they provide to show students how to make an effective search. We will start with a lesson on picking the right search terms. This is the beginner lesson. Here we have an example of what might be a typical student search. The problem with this search term is that it is not specific enough. If we search with this query, these are the results we get. We get information from Tyson Foods, and that's not what we're looking for. So we can go about making this search more effective by looking at key terms and teach students to use these terms in order to improve their search results. For example, we want to know the food the character Tyson from the Percy Jackson series likes the best. So Tyson and food would be key terms. We can also take the words like best and use a more specific term, such as favorite, to make our query even more specific. And then, of course, we need to add the words Percy Jackson so that we ensure that we get information about Tyson from the Percy Jackson series versus Tyson, the chicken maker. Now we get the results we're looking for. We even have an answer right here to the thing that we were actually trying to find out. What was Tyson's favorite food? If we look at the two different results, we see more specific search terms gives us the information we were looking for, so students can clearly see how more specific results can benefit them. We can also look at what matters in a search query. Every word matters. For example, if we search who, the who, or a who, we get vastly different results. Also, word order matters. If we search blue sky and sky blue, we get very different results. Here we see if we search blue sky, we get the calendar maker company, Blue Sky. If we search sky blue, we get information on the sky and why it is blue. Capitalization does not matter. If we Google Barack Obama with capital letters, these are our results. If we Google Barack Obama with lowercase letters, we get the same results. We can also narrow our search results through the use of filters. If you Google the Grand Canyon, you see we have all these filters underneath. The filter we're currently under is all, and it shows all the search results. We can also look at images, which shows pictures of the Grand Canyon, maps, which shows a Google map of the Grand Canyon, news, which gives us news of the Grand Canyon, and videos, which gives us all kinds of choices of videos about the Grand Canyon. We can define our search even more through the use of the Tools menu. If you click on each filter and then the Tools menu, you'll see you have different filters to further refine your results with each filter. With the All filter, we can choose the time that the information comes from, as well as the type of results we would like. With the Image tool filter, when we click on Images in the Tool menu, we can choose the size of our image, color of our image, the type of image, whether it's a clip art, line drawing, or a GIF. We can also choose the time it came from, and we can choose the usage rights. So as you can see, each different filter, when used with the Tools menu, gives you a lot more options for narrowing your search even further. A fun way with students to practice making Google searches is to use Google's A Search a Day activity, where students can be given a topic and the topic includes a question that they need to explore. You can find the Google a Day challenges on the Google Search for Education webpage, and here they offer challenges in culture, geography, history, and science. Let's take a look at one of the history challenges. Here, the Google a Day has its own slides to present to students on each specific question. This challenge is looking for The oldest person to sign the Declaration of Independence who criticized the national emblem and suggested an alternative. They're having students not only have to find who was the oldest person to sign the Declaration of Independence, but then they have to figure out what emblem he suggested as an alternative to the one that we chose. And what's neat about it is it gives them some hints. So it says, hey, first you need to find the signers of the Declaration of Independence and then find their ages to find the oldest. And then you use that information to Google what this person suggested as an alternative to our national emblem. And then it gives you a slide once everybody has found their answer to show them the answer and how they might have gone about their search. So I think this gives students a fun opportunity to practice their Google search skills.